Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add your EBI wallet to your Hamster Kombat. If you have been looking for ways to add your EBI wallet to your Hamster Kombat, now that we are very close to the launch date, the launch pool is already completed on Binance. So now we are just about getting into the exact launch date. So this short tutorial is just to guide you on that. I've done an extensive tutorial about this before, but just a quick recap. Let's go through it step by step. So the first thing you do, you come to this airdrop. So this is what this is where you come. You can see you have the tokens and you have the withdrawal. So you click on the withdrawal aspect, then it tells you to add your EBI exchange. And the benefit of EBI exchange is that it has no requirement for KYC and no gas fee. No request for KYC, no gas fee. So, and EBI exchange is also a platform where you can buy and sell crypto. You're going to get to know more about EBI exchange in my subsequent video because this is something new. Most of us weren't even expecting EBI exchange to be the last option for members hoping to get their token and their offers. So now you now click on the EBI exchange. It tells you to register. So at this point of registration, you need to be very careful here because whatever you select here cannot be changed again. Any exchange you select at this point and you close this out can't be changed again. So the EBI DEXI deposit, you only need to go ahead and do what? You click on register. So this now takes you to the EBI platform. Don't forget that everything is still on your Telegram. So everything is still on your Telegram. So you just click on your sign in. Okay, you can see EBI.xyz Hamster deposit your Hamster airdrop. And EBI is really trying because they are keeping up with information about this airdrop fast and they are updating people very well. So your UUID company, so you copy your UUID company. You can see that. Okay, this is home. This is the UUID copy. Previously, it wasn't even like this. You just have to take you to one platform and everything was a little bit confusing. But now I think they've gotten to know that people are really concerned about what to use as ID. So you can see my UUID is 1614442. 1614442. So now that I've copied that, I go back, then I put my ID here. Okay, I put my ID here. So verify and set as default. So I click on verify and set as default. So that is being processed right now. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So once you see this screen, it means you have successfully linked up. Okay, you have successfully linked up. So that is Hamster Kombat, and that is the queen of Hamster Kombat herself, sitting on the throne, waiting to get all the hamsters their tokens. All right, guys, let me know if you were able to follow through and do your own. All right, so let me know what you think, if this was helpful, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more updates as regards the hamster listing and other new season that we are entering into in the Hamster Kombat. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.